CPM dude here with that great person, 508, also known as Maddie. Okay, get him. Get him.
Perfect.
Dora!
Wait a minute.
I'm gonna call this video walking around with a person who goes crazy every time they see an animal.
It's like Dora.
Cat!
Dora.
Cat!
Slow-mo.
What you wanna do?
Go.
She's doing things on Musically, which is now called TikTok, and I hate that's now called
Dora,
TikTok.
stop it.
Hi, Mom! You're on CPM Dude
Please
5.
don't film me. Was the chicken okay?
Yeah.
That was good. So cute.
La 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 la
You
la
gotta
la.
be a big boy. And
Who's Caleb? I'm CPM Dude 5.
You gotta tell her no. Okay?
Okay.
Tell her to zip it.
Big boy. I'm a big boy. Big boy.
You wanna be in a video for me? Is that a yes? Okay, good, because you're gonna be in it anyway. Yeah. No, stay here. No, Grayson, you cannot just move off of camera. Yes. Perfect.
Sorry, I was covering the screen for a second so I could get something. Let's do which is faster, big wheel or running.
Can I show you this? Wait, ignore me. Wait. Grayson was posing. So proud of him. And then
Dora! Quiet!
Yeah, Dora. Shut up, bad boy. Girl.
You want to go to the swings
Yeah.
and do a vlog there?
Okay, this is Dora vibe. I see this as a Dora vibe. Yeah, Dora.
So I need to correct my intro. I'm not with that great person 508. I'm with that crazy person. Animal. I tripped on that.
Video Dora.
I'm gonna do the swings. Race the swing, 10 seconds. Yeah. That's a lot of shed. Oh wait, no, it's just pillow.
Look. I got her in the beginning when she. I'm just gonna edit this real quick because.
Okay, but guys, Whoa. That is a lot of dirt. Or is it not dirt? Dirt. That went nowhere. Whoa, fast video. Zooming through, and it's making me dizzy watching the video. I watched a video where me and my sister Sarah went down a log flume, and there was a hill on it, and I somehow actually got a bit scared. Like, I actually felt like I was going down the hill just watching a YouTube video of mine. Crazy how that can do. So, Maddie, Do you want to show the world the leaping lizard?
No. 1 minute.
Yes, you do.
Okay, so wait, so can I I have a dog channel on it now. On a thing that
On
is
TikTok.
yeah. So I wrote, hey, I'm Dora. Caleb's my owner, not DJ though, because that's my TikTok name, DJ. Enjoy. I'm in the channel now. And then coming in and Dora. Done and post. She's on the channel now.
All right, I'm going to show the leaping lizard.
Yeah, I've officially. Oh, no, I am. Back off. No, I said back off.
We are
no,
doing.
No.
Just kick it off.
Baby potato, do do, baby potato, do do do, baby potato, mommy potato. Okay, stay there, iPod. Don't die.
So this is an acrobatic trick on the swing. We call it acrobatics, even though it isn't officially. This is the leaping lizard.
Wait, the weeping wizard?
No.
Or the leaping lizard?
The leaping lizard. I will demonstrate the leaping wizard.
Leaping lizard.
Like that has anything to do with leaping or lizards. And then, wait, film me.
Okay.
Get the whole thing.
Also, starting with today's episode, we are going to get most of the CPM Dude 5 videos.
Yeah, today's episode.
2-minute runtime. Like an actual TV show, so yay.
Yay!
Wait, no, that was my practice. That isn't the even with La 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 Mickey Mouse. That was the weeping lizard. Told you it had nothing to do with weeping or lizards. Do we actually need that?
Yeah.
It gives us a tiny bit of a boost. I don't know. Plus, it gets my socks wet. Flip-flops. La 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 Mickey Mouse. Yep. I can do a leaping on it.
Nice shoes, close in. Wait, Caleb.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yep.
what? And then, wait, we need to clean the lens. Ah!
Sorry.
There's nothing. Okay. What if one gets no boost? Not enough boost. Caleb,
What?
flip it over again.
Why?
Just flip it.
Okay, but I don't know why.
Just flip it.
Spider webs?
No. Do it, Bobby. Flip it all
Who's
the way.
Well, I'm not Bobby.
Oh, this is sketchy.
And that was voice impressions with Maddie.
Oh.
Today's impression was Maddie.
You stupid thing. Can you get it actually on the circle thing it was on before?
The root,
Yeah, because
the tree.
it keeps getting really tippy. Gone
Wait.
crazy. Crazy.
That's Maddie's impression of herself. She almost fell off.
Now I'm doing the sea moonwalk, wee wee. Whoa! And there's no end. Oh,
There isn't.
no. You just jump.
Oh.
Oh, I have a really good one that Caleb invented.
What? That was like, that's like amazing. I love that one. It's so hard. So it's amazing to master it.
This is one I invented. Watch this.
What's the difference? Oh, you grab it. And then
Okay, let me retry that.
I have a game we can play.
Try to not faceplant.
No. Try to not kill yourself.
What do you mean?
You sit right here and you have to dodge it when the person comes by. You sit right here.
Sit.
Well, you stand. Ooh. Wah.
Okay, let me show you guys a trick that Caleb needs to film. Watch this.
What?
I don't know. This is actually the moonwalk.
Amazing. We're halfway through the episode, so commercial break.
Okay. Wait. Before we start that commercial break, sponsoring me, let me do it.
Wait, can I do it?
I have a good idea.
You want sticks? Wow. Look at those sticks. They're so shiny. Wow.
They're even
Call
capable to walk
1-800
on.
Call 1-800 I don't care to get an amazing stick because they're really boring. What would you use the stick for if it's boring? Use it to poke you in the butt.
Okay, I'm done.
Commercial number 2. Are you really bored or stressed? Are you really stressed and need meditation? Yes, I do.
Okay, Caleb, this is my new trick.
Well, before you do that trick, we need to finish this commercial. Hey, that's rude. Well, go on a really wild swing ride. Wait, I want meditation. Let's go. Ah! And that was our commercial break.
Okay, my next trick is...
So is touching the ground part of it?
Let me try that.
And then around at the 18-minute mark, we'll have our second commercial break, and then we'll be back for the rest.
Get her off!
Do you want to visit the animals?
Yeesh.
Let's go in the barn and see the animals. Animals. Come on, let's go! So these are the chickens. This guy's alone. He used to have 6 friends, but now he has none because those meaty chickens killed it. One of them and a rat killed the others. Meanies. They're such meanies. Hey, can we have a commercial break to sell these chickens? No! Commercial breaks only come at the 11-minute mark and the 18-minute mark. Now scram! Who said that? I don't even know who I am. Those are the other chickens? They're weird. Ernie is the only cute one. What? Can we sell the chickens by advertising them now? No. Okay then. Suit yourself. Yeah?
Stay. Good chicken.
boring. What do we do? Do you want to just talk about random things? Hey, they painted the light switch. I get to not complain. I'm going to sit in this tractor and talk about stuff. You can join me. So what do we talk about? I know what to talk about. Driving this tractor! Let's go! This is really awesome. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And there we went out and then we parked again. Yeah?
Can you film this?
Sure. Sure.
Film me?
Mm-hmm.
Filming. Dora.
No. Dora! Dora. He's so cute.
Look. She just comes at me and I'm like, eh.
Dora's trying to get through. She's watching herself on TV.
See, she just like charges at me.
I'm going to do a virtual reality challenge. Basically like virtual reality. You put your face up against the camera and then you have to navigate through the world. I'm going to try to get the big wheel by just looking through this camera. Yes, I'm getting closer. Yes, I'm near the big wheel. Yes, yes, yes. Of course, yes. Oops, I turned it into selfie mode. Looks really blurry with your eyes up against it. Yeah?
Send us some video. Dora!
18-minute mark! Yes, now I can finally advertise the chickens that are meanies so I can sell them! The commercials come in at 18 minutes and I wanted to sell mean chickens because they killed one of the small ones. So I'm going to try to sell them. Do you love chickens that kill other chickens? Oh, well, buy these right now or you shall die! That has been a commercial break. Sponsored by that great person, 508, and a couple other people. Speaking of sponsors, I really just want to advertise a couple of my other friends who are YouTubers. I mean, I know about 4 people, one of them being her, that are YouTubers, so I'm trying to talk about them. So, let's go back into the tractor and talk about it. So, I have a couple good friends who are YouTubers, and I want to advertise them here while driving this tractor. So, there's obviously that great person, 508. You saw her just now. And there's also my good friend, Con's Adventures. CON''S Adventures. He's my good friend. He's also in my grade. And then there are 2 of my cousins. They're actually siblings. They also have YouTube channels. There's the Daily Bailey, which took me a while to find a channel because it's spelled an odd way. Like, it's not daily, but she does it. I think she just wanted a rhyme, a really good rhyme, which I agree is a really good rhyme. Like, daily. So it's spelled DAILEYY. BAILEYY. Dora in the post. And then there's Reagan Vlogs. She doesn't do that many videos, but when she does, they're really good.
When is she not in the post, huh, Dora? Yes.
Yeah, so it's Regan.
Do you like spam?
That's how you spell her name.
Do you like
Vlogs.
good spam?
Come on, we have 2 minutes left in the video. We need to do
Do
more
you like
stuff.
good spam? I like a good spam. Yeah, I like a good spam. Yeah,
Why are you talking about spam?
I like a good spam.
Why are you a dork saying good stuff about spam? I don't get what the intention is.
Because I'm just like spamming videos of her.
Oh. So let's go on the porch and end off the video. Wait! A leaping lizard! We need to do a leaping lizard before we can end the video! There. Now come on, let's go where there's Wi-Fi so I can finish up this video. So, I'm going to get another puppet. I'm 90% sure because all my grades are good and I need to have good grades to get another puppet. So, I'm going to get another puppet soon in the next couple weeks. And I will do a video of when I get it.
Time for you to spam. It's hiding from
Wait, the video is almost over. Let's finish up the video. Maddie, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, credits. So, made by Caleb and that great person 508.
And the
Sponsored by the McGrath family, which is my
and the
family.
potato.
There's also sponsored by that great person 508, Con's Adventures, Daily Bailey, and Reagan Vlogs.
Sure.
Good friends of mine. You should subscribe to them.
I'm not
Give
posting
my friends
videos.
likes.
I'm not good person at work anymore.
You should. Wait, before it hits 23 minutes, we need to end it, so bye!